too.
Holy
Hey, well,
sorry, am I?
yeah, you got a speakerphone with the whole team there.
You probably should have told me that.
You'll be all right. What's
Just
that?
tell them I'm a Yankee.
I like safe. I don't want to break. Oh no. Any particular goals today besides making it run right? Like you looking for a number, or are you trying to?
No, we just want it to
Three
run
foot
right.
plane.
That'll
Just
do
get it
that.
to run right.
And we know what the thing should make, but you know, obviously we'll just get everything happy and then we'll go from there.
Just put it on where it ain't gonna be run over.
That way? Yeah, we ran really good with the car, like it was. We were running low 380 for a little bit.
It was like 800 or something.
Yeah, it's like 820, but it's 959 now, and it's brand new. It's fresh.
Okay.
It's straight from use.
That's
We cranked it up just to see it run and hear it run, and that's it. So.
Put it in gear, didn't you?
Yeah.
Would I change anything on? I mean, I was just checking it out.
I don't think so.
I should have all missed pump.
No, I'm gonna do one more motor run with the lockup turned on, and then we're gonna spray it.
Lockup makes more horsepower or less horsepower?
It shows more horsepower.
Because it ain't wasting the convert.
Huh?
Because it ain't splitting the convert.
Gonna make about
Yeah, that's 5% more.
Is it hot?
No.
I bet your converter is.
Check the solenoids on the transmission, see if one of those solenoids is hot.
Not on this side. No, it's not. It's normally cool.
Looks like there's smoking from pipes.
Converter, you said.
Yeah, it was like in a firewall.
A lot hot.
Well,
Even the lock
Transmission.
transmission should not be. Yeah, usually lockup stuff doesn't get that hot because it's not slipping for very long.
Yeah, right.
I gotta take the floor out and see it.
And if I stick my nose in a bell housing, it sounds like it smells from there.
Transmission's hot.
And I saw the smoke come from this area.
We saw smoke come all outside the car.
Like you took the transmission. And the converter or the transmission.
Yeah. Is the transmission itself really hot?
Oh, yeah.
Not really.
Not really. What's that?
Hot? Or to get. Does this area feel hot? Keep going?
Yep. All right, hold right there.
That's right.
Yep, back up. Hold right there. There's the problem. The U-joint's trying to come out. Right there? Yep. There's it burned the grease out of that U-joint. That's the problem. It's other sections fly out. There, the grease is
Starting to cook the grease out of it?
yep. Yeah, that should smoke right there. It started to push the caps out.
You guys got a U-joint?
No.
There's parts stores and stuff around here. I don't know if you're gonna get what that needs, but
The problem is they're gonna all be cross drilled and that will be solid joints.
probably.
Yeah.
What do you guys feel like doing? I like safe. I don't want to break
Oh no, we
a drive shaft and shoot caps through the roof of the car or any of that. I've already had that happen.
You don't have a drive shaft in the truck, do you? Take one out of it.
how much your shop?
You know what? Maybe Proline has
Yeah.
U-joints. They're gonna have like the badass like solid ones.
Oh, yeah.
Any place around here that'd be the place that would have.
I go see.
It's a 1350 U-joint.
All we need is the joint, right?
Yeah.
Broke the drive shaft. You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, it broke it.
Drive shaft?
Yeah. I see like a broom under there.
It broke the ears off of it. It rung it.
Those hit me so hard, I feel like a BB.
It still was going through, so like the lockup still hit late even at 1.3.
Yeah.
Pulled it down to 4700.
So how do you fix that?
Put a real drive shaft in.
But it got to, before it let go, 2.6.
Into the run? The 2.6 into the run. Quit.
Damn. It didn't break anything else then.
I don't know. I haven't been under it yet. Alright.
Alright, oh, was that with 2 kids or 3 kids?
2.
Holy fuck!
Hey, wait.
Sorry, am I
Yeah, you got a speakerphone with the whole thing there.
You probably should have told me that.
Well, you'll be alright. What's that?
Tell them I'm a Yankee.
They hurt.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Oh my God, that's crazy.
All right, bye, bye. I'll call you later.